so hard.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow up on the...
Happy birthday, Karen. I hope you're doing well. I just want you to know how much I miss you so much. And I hope you're happy. Love, happiness, and blessings you deserve. Amping ka always. And punta magkita natin soon. Malakas na tao. Oo, ka na medyo layer-layer. Cherries. Always come. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy birthday again, Happy Karen.
Happy 25th birthday, Car! Today is not just another day, it's a celebration. You, your journey, and everything you've got before through the years. So reaching 25 is such a meaningful milestone and a beautiful moment to pause, reflect on how you've come. So you've grown, learned, and blossomed into someone truly inspiring, strong, compassionate, and full of grace. Yes, syempre kayo. So every challenge you face has made you wiser, and every success has been testament to your hard work and determination. So as you celebrate this special day of yours, may you be surrounded by the people who brings you genuine happiness and love. So may laughter fill your heart, joy light up your face, and blessings overflow in every part of your life. This year, bring you closer to everything your heart desires, success in your goals, peace in your heart, and love that never fades. Of course, ay mukha kong love life. So continue to shine, Car, because the world is brighter with you in it. Here's to your 25 years. May it be filled with endless laughter, exciting adventures, meaningful moments, and blessings beyond measure. I would like to remind you of how loved and appreciated you are, not just for what you do, but for who you are as a person with a beautiful soul and a warm heart and a spirit that uplifts others. At 25, the world feels wide open before you, full of dreams, waiting to be realized. So go after them with courage, faith, and confidence in yourself. Don't be afraid to take bold steps, explore new paths, and embrace changes. The best chapters of your life are still waiting to be written, and they be extraordinary because they be yours. So once again, happiest birthday to you, beautiful soul. Happy birthday, Car. I love you, and God bless you always. Bye!
Uy, nakakapkat.
Nakakapkat sila, Day.
Hey, Karyang, happy 25th birthday. Siguro mo ka. We are so very happy and proud of the person you have become now. From late sa classmate to Abu Dhabi. You've always been that friend na being a message with Karyang. That's why I love you. On your 25th birthday, I hope your days are filled with love, laughter, and a whole lot of cake. Kaya remember ako sa una every year during the days in America. I missed you so much, and you honestly deserve nothing but the best in the universe. I love you, and happy 25th birthday. See you soon.
Mika Ritzita, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best things in the world, your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, like everything. All the best things for you. And I can't believe that we've known each other for 10 years now. Like, here's to more years of friendship. And I can really say, feel like you're like the glue that binds us all closer kasi inyong hamadyo ni permente magtampa. Ikaw bisa kapilano mo naman like, ato na siya ni permi girl. Kulang na lang like, if afford na mo mag-arap po ni. Kung asa nga karo, magtira po na magtambay guro. Anyway, we hope to see you soon. Nakita dyan na magkita ta balik. Then magkatapos dyan ta balik sa usa ka place. And stay safe always. Happy birthday, bye-bye. Love you.
More tambay.
Happy birthday, Karen. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you.
I know this can't keep us from sharing the moment, but it can never lessen what you mean to me. And I just want to say that may today remind you that even from afar, there is someone who is grateful and thankful for existence. I love you and I miss you so, so much. And I can't wait until we celebrate again. Take care and God bless you.
Love you, Golden! Hey! Oh my God,
Hi, Car! Happy birthday! Ang pingdara! Love you! Bye!
Hi, Melina friend! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. I wish you all the best in life. I hope you enjoy your day as well. I know successful na ka sa imong life, but unta ma-achieve pa nimo imong mga dreams and goals in life. Unta tagaan ka ni Lord og right person, right man na mag-love and care nimo till death do us part. Unta makauyab na kagtarong og tarong na ka. Thank you so much sa friendship, sa vibes and all. Anyway, I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon. I love you again. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Tita Karen. I hope na happy ra ka sa iyong birthday and I wish for you to have a long, successful, happy, and healthy life and keep safe always and happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Karen. Congratulations on the birthday mo. I wish you stay healthy. Get the tons of love, the of rain. And I love you. God bless you. Happy birthday, God.
Happy birthday, Karen. May the God Almighty bless you abundantly with His love and grace. Enjoy your special day. And God bless us all. Take care.
Let's stop. Oops. Hi, Ate Karen. Hello. Happy birthday. Happy 25th birthday nimo. And wish na ako na mas successful ka sa imong mga ginabuhat and unta nalingaw ka sa imong nalingaw ka at the same time murag naka-find po kag peace sa imong mga sa imong trabaho karon and unta nga puhon nga makita ta otro na pod kay gimingaw na ko nimo. And sorry sa akong nabuhat as amang mod nimo kabalo jud ko nga di jud ko mo away nimo and yeah pero maaway man jud kay malita mo ka. So thank you sa tanan nga imong gi hatag nako from things to words na imong gipanghatag nga advice ako grateful kay ko sa akong ate nga pinakagwapa. And happy birthday, ate. And i-unblock na ka. Karong adlaw or magtali. Matuog ko. Bye, te. I love you and amping mo dira sa UAE. Bye-bye.
This guy,